So the best age to do a knee replacement is really when it's disabling you on a daily basis. And so there's not a specific age requirement. There are issues, though, related to age, and that is the implant, the knee implant is a mechanical part, and mechanical parts have a limited lifespan. So, fortunately, most of the implants we put in today are expected to last 20 to 40 years, which is equal to the lifespan of most of the patients we put them in, since the average age for knee replacement is about 65. That really covers almost everyone. However, there is always a risk of mechanical parts, and people need to understand this, that you know mechanical parts can fail for other reasons like infection, other things. But going back to the proper age for me is, again, it goes back to the quality of the individual person's life. So if it's arthritis that's interfering with the quality of that person's life and keeping them from doing things that they want to do that are important to them, both for their health and for, if you will, their recreation, that's when you want to do it. So while we don't have any particular age restrictions, and in my practice, just by the nature of my practice, almost half my patients are under 65, and the overall patients under 65 were a little more concerned about whether the implants will last their lifetime. And it's a discussion that really needs to be had with the individual surgeon about timing. But the timing really, I kid in my office, I go, people ask me, when should I get a knee replacement? And I turn the question around and go ask, well, when do you want me to do it? And part of it's because it's not for me, it's for them. Also, I want people to really think about the proper timing, because there are implications to having a surgery that you can't undo. And so timing is a really important discussion in my practice with my patients. But I don't use any particular age restriction. I've had patients come in and tell them their doctor told them to wait till they were 60 or 50. I'm not really sure that mindset. I don't really quite understand myself. So for me, it's the quality of the life of the person at the time.